Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about this natural look, which personally I think it's going to be a big trend for the 2019. I think the emphasis is going to be on the skin. Everybody will look at the skin, a nice preparation of the skin, a very good hydrating skin. As I said, a very important step, it's the preparation of the skin, how you hydrate it and how you prepare it before the makeup. I start with oil based on hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. I apply it all over my face and then I massage it until it gets totally into my skin. As it is winter and my skin is very dry, this oil is not enough for me, so I am going to apply also a very hydrating oily cream. And with a massage, I'm gonna blend it until it gets totally into my skin. Because I don't have time to wait, I am going to remove the oily parts of my face with a Kleenex. So I'm slightly gonna dab it where I see spots of oily skin. You can do this or either wait like 10 or 15 minutes until the skin is very hydrated. A very important step for me is correcting the colors of my under eyes. So I am using for that a cream corrector from Makeup Forever. It is a yellow mustardy color that will help me not to apply that much concealer after, which will also make me look cakey. For foundation, I have chosen two foundations from Makeup Forever. There are water blend foundation that are very light, and I know what you guys are going to say, that the oil never mixed with water, but I like to test products, I like to try new things, and I really like the effect that this gave it to me. After I mixed these two shades with a fluffy brush in two layers, I am going to apply it all over my face with circular movements. I absolutely do not press at all on my brush. I just make soft movement, and remember, the soft movement, the natural the look. Contouring for this look, but as I have left a little bit of darker foundation, I'm gonna apply it in the areas where I wanna sculpt a little bit, so I can give a little bit of dimension to my face and it doesn't look so flat. For concealer, I am going to use a HD foundation from Makeup Forever. With a fluffy brush, I am going to tab this. I am going to first warm it up on my hand and then apply it in the areas where I want to have a lot of light. As you can see, I am not applying a lot of products. One, because this product is HD and it reflects a lot of light and it's not needed. And second, because I don't want to look cakey. I absolutely do not want any harsh line or to press a lot on my brush. After this, I'm going to fix a little bit the concealer with a translucent powder from Makeup Forever. blush, I'm using a HD blush from Makeup Forever. Even if it's very creamy, I'm still gonna mix it with the hydrating cream. And I am applying in a very light manner exactly on the cheeks, on the apple of my cheeks actually. And then I am going to blend it with a fluffy brush, giving it to exactly the same form that I wanna have. What I like to do after, with whatever product is left on my brush from the blush, I like to apply it underneath my eyebrows, so I have a very even effect, very nice and soft. For highlighter, I am using this one from Makeup Forever. It's a very creamy one. I am still gonna mix it with a cream and then apply it in the areas where I want to have a lot of light. So the effect that I am creating, it's a natural glowy dewy look. I really like this look. I think it's so different and so wanted in the future. I'm gonna keep it very natural because I don't want to draw lines now with this natural look. I'm gonna put a little bit of mist and fix on my brush and then arrange my brush. For my lips, I want to give that red pigment on my lips, so I'm gonna mix these two shades. It's a matte red lipstick from Essence with a MAC Cosmetic lip gloss. I'm gonna mix them and then apply it with my finger on my lips in a very transparent manner. Alright, this is all for this look. I really like it, how it turned out. I'm very curious about your opinion, what a natural makeup means for you guys. I have seen in the past years what that means on YouTube, and my personal opinion is that all the natural looks from YouTube look cakey. So I think this is really something new, very nice and beautiful. I hope you will try it, and you can also send me photos with your work on my Instagram. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!